In this video, we'll be looking at installing Visual Studio 2019 Community Edition. To get to this page, you can follow the link that is included in the resources for this video, or you can just Google Visual Studio and it will more than surely render a result that will lead you to this page. Once you're at this page, you may go ahead and click the free download button under Community. Please note that you also have the option of Professional and Enterprise, but these only offer trials as they require you to pay for them. So we will go ahead and install Community, which is free for developers and individuals. But if you go Enterprise with your application, then you are required to buy a license. After clicking this button, we will be led to this page, which will thank you for downloading, and you should see your file available. After clicking this file, you'll be required to clear the security warnings and click Run. This will then launch our installer. So we can go ahead and click Continue and allow that to download. When that is finished, they will present us with a few options for modules for download. Because we're doing a web-based application, we will want to ensure that we have the ASP.NET and web development set of tools. So we will just click the checkbox, which will then include all of these options. If you want, you can include more by just clicking the checkboxes that are available. Otherwise, you may just go ahead and click Install. When this step is finished, you can go ahead and you can click off this application and allow Visual Studio to start at the end. It will proceed to launch Visual Studio. You can close the installer and go ahead and sign in if you have a Microsoft account before. If not, then you can just click Not Now and maybe later. And I will select dark for my theme as I like the dark themes. You can also change and optimize your developer settings. I'll choose web development and we can just click Start Visual Studio. This will launch Visual Studio 2019, where they will ask us if we want to get started by cloning existing code, opening a project or solution, opening a local folder, or creating a new project. We can stop here as we would have successfully completed the requirements for this module. Stay tuned for more.